Hi, welcome in my video how to change the flat tire without using any tools. So a lot of people are using screwdrivers and this stuff which is scratching then the rim. So my way is a little bit different. First of all, let's make sure there is no air anymore in the tire. There should be no pressure at all. Okay, after making sure there is no pressure, it's flat. Let's start. Push the two sides of the tire together and try to put it into the middle of the rim. Yeah, I'm doing the same. Here you have to hold it, and with the other hand I'm doing the same on the bigger side of the rim. Yeah. Okay, make sure the tire stays in the middle. Okay, when you flip the wheel, you can see there is already a place between the rim and the tire. Okay, now you can easily put the tire down, and that's it. Now take out the tube, find the defect where the air is leaking, and of course make sure, okay, stick it. Good. Now after the tire is fixed, after the tube is still fixed, let me take out a little bit more air from the tube. Good. Now the trick is to make the tube, make sure it's not twisted anywhere. Yeah, it has to be straight. Good. Very important. Usually the puncture is done by sharp stuff, so make sure nothing remains in the tire. Good. Let's start from the valve and put the tube inside the tire. The most important thing is to not twist the tube anywhere. Yeah? Check it's not twisted. And put the entire tube into the tire. Okay, now let me double check. Here it looks to be twisted a bit. Okay, let me play with it a little bit. Good. Looks fine. Now let me hold the stuff, put it into the wheel, and half of the tire put inside I was too fast. have put there both sides. So once again, find the hole, put the tube inside, and now only one part of the tire put into the rim. Here is already out. Good. This part goes usually very easy. Second part is more difficult. Of course, half of the tire to put there is not a problem, but the last 10 or 20 centimeters usually is. So once again, same trick. Hold the two sides of the tire together. Put it into the middle of the rim where there is a place. Here hold and now you should be in the situation that again there is enough space. You see, pay attention to not make any hole into the tube. Now we are in the situation that everything goes smoothly. Good. Now make sure the valve is straight. You can hold the wheel, and you can see dragging into one side. It's going this direction. Dragging into other side, the opposite direction. My goal is it will be straight without any angle. Okay. Now second trick. Put some air into the tube. But not too much. Just to make sure, just to have it a little bit pumped. Okay, and now we go. We make sure the side of the tire where there is a metal piece inside goes again on the right place on the rim. So with easy move, like trying to put the tire on the one side, on the other side. Yeah. We make sure everything is on the right place. You can optically check the tire is on the right place as well. Usually there is already visible line. Okay, and we can feel the wheel. That's it. Now just mount it back to the bicycle, and that's it. Good. I hope you enjoyed the video and have fun with cycling.